Welcome to the channel, and today we will unbox Decentraland. There were plenty of news recently about virtual real estate purchase within Metaverse. Decentraland made headlines several times. There is a marketplace for that real estate. So today we will unbox what this real estate is all about and what we can do with it. Getting into Decentraland is quite easy. You go to decentraland.org and you can play a game using your browser. You can also log in using your MetaMask wallet. Once you logged in, you'll be able to customize your avatar with various options, such as accessories, skins, and whatever. But we're gonna step right into the game and take a look what it's all about. Once you're in, you can either join an event or jump to a place. There is a welcome area that will allow you to make your selection. You can also try to communicate to somebody here, but I had no such luck. In any case, we're here to take a look at real estate. And the way it works within Decentraland, if you want to create your own content, you have to develop a place, and for a place to be developed you need land. Okay, makes sense. Think of it as a web page hosting type of thing. So let's switch to Builder and see the capability. Builder has several options: collections, scenes. You can create a collection and you can create your own scene, or you can use already created scenes which are out there, and I'm sure you have to buy them probably. I did not try that feature. The toolbox has some textures, some objects. You can lay them in a given slot using the 3D builder. I quickly tried to see if I can use my NFT in this picture frame. Was not all that lucky, but I just guess it's maybe due to a preview environment. In any case, even if we have everything done and everything looks good, we'll have to publish our place, our scene. And to publish our scene, we need land. Decentraland land may be purchased at the marketplace. You can also use OpenSea if you wish. In any case, you will have to have Mana. Mana is a Decentraland own cryptocurrency, and I'll have a separate video on that topic. For this video, I decided to do something fun. So I picked somewhat cheaper land, which is still $2,600 and a change. And I also picked something that is actually quite expensive. That's 1,600,000 mana, which translates to $1,125,000. Wow! Let's go ahead and take a look at $2,600 property versus $1 million property, or rather land. Also, the price is not a final price since it's just a listing in a marketplace, but anyways, that's the first asking price, right? So $2,600 lot will be next to this strange structure with the donation sign, a couple of names, glass ceiling, some stairs, but not much. Very empty, no users in sight. And here we go, $1 million lot. It will be next to Pineapple. Looks like a SpongeBob house, but no SpongeBob. Again, same textures, few issues, loading content, loading textures in a 3D environment. The rendering is logging. Binance US has a nicely designed office space, but again, no users. and not much you can do while you're here. Just maybe click on some links which will take you to a page, and that's it. Very lonely experience. Maker. That's another cryptocurrency place. Looks like it. Okay. So this is Decentraland. $1 million lots. So again, I would think that these are issues with rendering the environment. I'm running the whole thing in a browser. Maybe that's the reason. I hope you liked this video. Next one will be about unboxing Sandbox. We'll try to find Snoopy Dog. Meanwhile, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.